it's your girl Augusta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please join this amazing YouTube family. Okay, just hit the subscribe button down below and join this family. And guys, this is an unboxing video. Okay, I'm going to be unboxing this. I got this package from Amazon. This is a makeup storage package. You can actually use this for makeup or your jewelry or you know, like your skincare products. Like you can use this for anything you want, but I got it for makeup. And also we are going to be unboxing these makeups I just got. Okay, I also got something from MAC. Guys, I've never owned any makeup product from MAC before. I don't think I've never gotten anything from MAC before, so this is my first time actually getting a makeup stuff from MAC. So we're going to be unboxing all these makeup stuff I got. Okay, yes, we are going to be seeing the new makeups together, and we are also going to be arranging everything together. Okay, yeah, so we are going to unbox this now. An eyeshadow that I got from Amazon. I've actually been shopping, like getting lots of makeup stores recently. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow that I got from Amazon. Hot one. So this is mostly for lipsticks, right? Yeah, this is for lipstick. So it has like these drawers. Can you guys see it? And they have this black stuff inside each one. And this is a bigger drawer. So I'm going to open this one too. So this is a longer drawer. This is probably going to be for eyeshadows, eye pencils. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead now and clear this dresser, okay, because that is where I want to, like, you know, place this makeup storage. That is where I want my makeup to be for now. So I'm going to clear them off. Guys, these are my old makeup stuffs. Okay, I have things that I've not actually used, like this eyelashes, this brush. This is a new brush, but I've had it for a while now, and you guys can see, like, I don't have much. Okay, I have just a few things, but I'm going to be sorting these things out. And these are my brushes. Okay, like, these are my old brushes, and I just washed them this morning. You guys can see how clean they are. Okay, I just washed them this morning. I'm probably going to make a video on how I wash my brushes. Okay, my makeup brushes video, maybe a 3-4 minute video, okay, to show you guys how I wash my makeup brushes. But the way I wash my makeup brushes very easy, like so easy. Okay, you don't even have to you know, soak them for so long, and you know, those other stuff most people do. I'm going to go ahead now and sort these things out, because I have some makeup products there that I don't want to use anymore. I don't feel comfortable using them anymore because I've had them for so long. Okay, and I feel like they're probably expired. You know how some of these makeups, like, the expiring date might be on the pack, not on the product itself, right? So when you throw the pack away, you can't even tell when the products are expiring. And I have some things here that I've had for 4 years, like this eyeshadow. I've had this for 4 to 5 years, and I don't feel comfortable using it anymore. So I'm going to be sorting this out and taking off the things that I don't like the stuff that I feel like are probably expired, or I don't use anymore, or they're no longer my color, or I don't like them anymore. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be sorting this right now. So guys, these are the stuffs I'm going to be throwing out. They are not a lot though. I told myself I was going to, like, throw out every single thing I have here, like every old thing I have here, but I couldn't do that. Okay, I feel like I'm wasting money. Like, if I get to throw everything out, I'll be wasting so much money. So these are the few stuffs I'm going to be throwing out for now. With time, you know, I'm going to maybe throw out a lot more. But for now, these are the stuffs. Oh, I'm trying this out. I don't use this, and I've had it for a while now. So yeah, I think this is it for now. So now I'm going to be showing you guys all the stuffs I got, like all the new makeup stuffs I got, and I actually spent a lot. I spent like $350 or so on this makeup stuffs, and that didn't include the storage. Okay, I didn't include the storage or the eyeshadow I got from Amazon. This is just all I spent in these 3 stores. Okay, I actually got all these stuffs in one day. Okay, so I spent about $350. So I'm going to be starting with Sephora. Okay, so this is the first thing I have in this bag. This is a setting spray. I've not used the setting spray before, okay, but I've seen like someone use it on YouTube, so I decided to get it and try it out. Okay, so this is the all-nighter setting spray, and this is about $30 plus. Let me see, I still have a receipt here. So the setting spray, I got it for $34. Okay, so yeah, and the next thing I have here is this is the Too Faced concealer. I feel like everybody's now using this concealer on YouTube. Like, everyone has so many nice things to say about this concealer, so I decided to try them out. Okay, I've not used them before. I've never used them before. This is the concealer I used to use before. Like, I have the LA Girl Pro concealer. I have, this is for contour. I have it, where is the concealer? I have a lighter shade for concealer. Okay, this is it, as you guys can see. Then I also have the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and then I also have this Sephora concealer. Okay, so these are the concealers I used to use before, but I decided to get this one. Everyone have been saying so many nice things about them. Okay, so I decided to try them out, and this is about $32, I think. Yeah, this concealer is $32, right? Let me see. Okay, this is $30 actually. This is $30. Then the next thing I got is this. Everyone knows this. Okay, this is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, I have this, but the shade I have is so light, like it's too white for my face. Okay, it's too light for my face, so I decided to get this one. This is the honey shade, and I think this is going to be perfect for my face. Okay, yeah, so the next thing I got is this. I already opened this to see what is inside. So this is a primer. I've not used this primer before. Okay, this is the first time I'm using them. This is the Milk Hydro Primer. You guys can see, I actually love how the color, like the color, I love the packaging. So this is $32. Yeah, and the next thing is this is a brow gel. You guys can see how it is. It's a brow, like a gel to set your brow. Okay, yeah, and I think this one too. This one is how much is this? This is $24. That is all I got from Sephora. Okay, the next one we're going to be opening is MAC. I only got 2 stores from MAC. Okay, like I said before, I've never used a MAC products before. Okay, so I really don't know what to get from them. Okay, but I decided to get this contour stick from them. I also got this powder from them. This is their Studio Fix powder. So yeah, this is just the 2 things I got from MAC, and I don't know where the receipt is, so I can't remember the prices, but I think they are probably $30-something for each one, right? But I can't find the receipt right now. So this is the final bag. Okay, this is an eyeshadow. This is the Morphe eyeshadow, and as you guys can see, I already opened this. Okay, I really wanted to see like how the eyeshadow was inside. So yeah, this is the Morphe eyeshadow. I'm not so big with eyeshadow. Like, if you've seen my pictures, if you're following me on Instagram or Facebook, you will know that I'm not really like into colored eyeshadow. I'm more of a neutral, natural looking eyeshadow. Okay, and that was why I got this big palette. This is the what is this called? This is their Natural Glow. So this is the Natural Glow palette, and you have 35 shades here. So yeah guys, this is it. And how much is this? Let me see. And I actually got this for where is it? So this is $25. This palette is $25. Yeah, and then the next thing I got from this store is the foundation. This is a NARS foundation. So I used to use NARS before. Even when I was in Nigeria, I used to use NARS. But when I came here, I decided to try another brand. So I got this Fenty Beauty foundation, and that is what I've been using for years. Like, I've been using this Fenty Beauty for 3 years now. but I decided to go back to NARS. Okay, I don't even have a reason for doing that. Okay, this is good for me, but I just want to, you know, have like two different kind of foundation. Okay, so yeah, I decided to go back to NARS. So this is their Sheer Glow foundation, and I think this is $35, right? Okay, no, this is actually $47. So I got this for $47. And I also got this translucent powder from them. Okay, so I actually got it from them, not Sephora. Yeah, these are the three things I actually got from this store, and these three things cost $95. Then the next thing I have, I got them from different stores, like what is it called? I've forgotten, gosh. So I got them from Target, guys. Yes, I just remembered, I got them from Target. And then I got these brushes. I got this beauty blender, and I also got this from Target, and I think there are a couple of other things that I got that I can't find right now. But yeah, so these are the new makeup stuff that I got. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now and arrange everything, okay, in the storage. So guys, I'm finally done, and this is what it looks like. I'm done, you know, arranging the whole makeup products. So I'm going to leave, okay, so you guys can see everything, like the way my dresser is right now. So this is the top of my dresser right now. Okay, so every single makeup product got to fit into somewhere, okay, except this is eyeshadow, this big eyeshadow palette. So I couldn't fit it into any of the space. Okay, it couldn't fit into this one, so I'm just going to place it on top of this place. This is where I'm going to leave it. And then I also didn't get somewhere to fit this brush, so I don't want to open it yet, okay, because I don't really have need for it yet. So I'm going to leave it in this package, and I'm also going to leave it on top of this place. So yeah, this is everything. This is everything. So I zoomed in so you guys can see everything. Okay, so I have these two things on top here, and this first drawer here I have all my concealer and contour. I actually have this what is it called, this MAC contour here. Contour, yeah, this is a contour stick, right? So I have this contour stick here and all my concealers. Okay, and then on the next drawer I have this blush, just this blush here, and then this one I have this eyelashes here. Okay, and this one, okay, this next one here I have, like, this is the big box. Okay, so I have the foundation, the NARS foundation here. I have the translucent powder and the MAC powder in here. Okay, and I also have this beauty blender. I'm yet to use this. I actually have another beauty blender somewhere, but I can't find where it is right now. Here I have this is the eyeshadow I got from Amazon. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description box. Okay, so this is what I have here. On this line I also have this eyeshadow here. I got this eyeshadow from Target. Then this is a contour palette that I have. I've always had this. Okay, so this is it. Here I have like some of this stuff that I'm yet to use. This is a brow pencil, the brush, like these brushes, I'm yet to use them. This is a an eye pencil too. This is lashes, so I'm yet to use everything here. Okay, and on this side, guys, I have my lipsticks here. I don't have much lipsticks, okay, so I have very few lipstick and my lip liner, lip gloss, sorry. So I have them here. Behind here, like at the back here, I have all these eye pencils, eyeliner, everything here, lip liner and everything here. Then on this space I have all my setting spray and primer here. Okay, this is a setting spray. I've always had this. This is my old setting spray. This is the new setting spray I got. I also have this setting spray before, and these other two things here are my primer. Okay, I have this primer. This is the new primer I just got. Okay, and this is the old primer I used to use. I have another primer, but I can't find where it is right now. Okay, and on this line here I have this is for eyelashes. What is this called again, guys? I've forgotten. Jeez, I can't. Okay, I can't remember what this is called, but this is for your lashes, right? Then I have this is for your brow. This is the brow setter, okay? Use this to set your brow. And this is for your lashes, okay? This is for gluing your lashes down. I also have another glue. This is another lash glue here. And this side is empty. This is empty. I don't have anything in them yet. And this side I have this foundation. So this is the foundation I'm using right now. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation. I can actually put it here, but I feel like it looks weird, okay? So I decided to just put it in here and put it here. And here I have all my brushes, guys, like inside this cup. I'm actually going to get like a transparent cup for my brushes, okay? But for now I had to use this cup that my friend got me. She got me this cup during my birthday, okay? And I love what they wrote on this cup. I'm going to bring it closer so you guys can see. It says strong women, may we know them, may we be them, and may we raise them. So yeah, she got me this cup on my birthday last year. Yeah, so I'm going to get a transparent cup for it later on, but for now I'm going to be using it for my brush, container or brush, whatever, like you guys understand, right? So yeah, this is everything. And then I have like let me move this camera so you guys can see. I have my makeup mirror here. So yeah, that's all. So finally come to the end of the video, guys. So let me know if you like this makeup storage. I'm going to leave a link to like this product on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description box, okay? Let me know what you think about this storage, even though I wish it's a bit bigger than this, just a bit bigger than this, okay? So it can fit in everything, like this foundation, and also this, what is it called, the eyeshadow palette. I wish it was a bit bigger so it can fit in everything, but I'm actually in love with the setting. And I also love the fact that it has different sizes of boxes, okay? Like this one is longer. See how long this one is? And this one is like kind of small, and this one is deep, okay? So yeah, I love that it has different sizes, okay? So it can fit in different things. But yeah, so yeah, that's the end. If you're still here, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family if you are yet to subscribe. And we just hit 6K subscribers, guys. I'm so happy about that. I know that I've not been very consistent recently, like I've been so busy, I've not been consistent, but I've been having new subscribers, guys. Like I'm so happy that this channel is growing. I can't wait to hit 10K subscribers, and I'm actually going to wait till I hit 10K subscribers before I do my first giveaway, okay? I was supposed to do it when I hit, I think, 1K subscribers, but guys, like I don't know, I got so busy and I even forgot about it. So we're just going to wait. When we hit 10K subscribers, we're going to do a very big giveaway, okay? Yeah, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're my new subscriber, okay, thank you so much for joining this amazing YouTube family. And if you're yet to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And don't forget to like this video, okay? Don't forget to comment, okay? And yeah, that's it. See you guys in my next video. Bye. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in.